Welcome to today's lesson. We're diving into something exciting, common mistakes in pronouns and how to fix them. To understand what pronouns are, you can refer back to my videos on identifying pronouns and their antecedents. I explained that pronouns are words that are used instead of a noun and used repeatedly over and over again. Examples are he, she, it, they, we, you, I, etc. Now, let's look at some common mistakes people make and how to fix them. The first mistake is the wrong use of pronoun. Sometimes people mix up pronouns when talking about gender or number. For instance, when you say her is playing football, her is playing football, it's wrong. Just because you can use her for a girl doesn't mean her is correct. The right pronoun to use there is she is playing football. Tip: you use he, she, or it for singular subjects and they for plural subjects. Another mistake that people usually make is mixing up subject and object pronouns. Subject pronouns do the action like he or she, while object pronouns receive the actions like him or her. For example, if you say, me went to the market, me went to the market. Yes, you're referring to yourself, but it's wrong. You use I went to the market. Another example is when you say, he gave it to I. I cannot be the receiver. It will be, he gave it to me. Are you getting it? If the pronoun is doing something, use I, she, he, we, they. If something is done to the pronoun, use me, him, her, us, them. Are you getting it? Now, I have a video on identifying pronouns and their antecedents. For you to understand this better, you need to watch that video. Now, for this, the pronoun must agree with the noun it is replacing in number or in gender. For instance, when you say, every student must bring their book, it's wrong. It should be, every student must bring his or her book. Because when you say every, you're talking about both gender. Be specific. Every student must bring his or her book. That is the right thing to say. And to further clarify the common mistake used by pronoun users, unclear references. When it is not clear what the pronoun refers to, the sentence gets confusing. For instance, when you say, Tom told Jerry that he was late, who is the he? The right thing to say is, Tom told Jerry, you are late. Tom told Jerry, a comma, you are late. So the you are late will be embedded in a quotation mark. Always make sure your pronouns clearly refer to the right noun. Another common mistake is when you use they for singular nouns. They are calling you. They are coming. Whereas you're actually referring to one person. They is used for plural nouns, but sometimes people use it for singular nouns by mistake. For instance, the boy said they will come. This is common among primary school children. It's also common among, informal users of English. The boy said they will come. Meanwhile, the statement is meant to be, the boy said he will come. let's take a quick recap. Use the right pronoun for the right gender and the right number. 2. Know when to use your subject or object pronouns. I have a video where I've been able to balance between singular subject, plural subject, when using your nouns and blending it together with your verbs. Make sure the pronoun matches the noun it replaces. That is talking about the antecedents. And I'm very sure you're going to watch that video because I actually explained it in detail. Lastly, avoid unclear pronouns. Be specific. Most times we tend to, diversify in ways we speak and want to improve our English language speaking skills. Please do not use unclear pronouns. Be specific, detailed. Choose your words rightly. And that will be it for today. Pronouns are easy to use when you avoid these mistakes. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this video has been a blessing to you. See you in my next lesson. Bye.